For example, with I write the word life in Ukrainian, it is життя. Жи, и, ти, я. Життя, життя. Not життя, but життя, ття, життя. We are to hear that double T gives this concrete exact sound. So it is, in English, it is life. The next one. So I wish everybody to have really golden life with a good experience of life. And now we have this name Ukraina. My motherland inspires me to get acquainted with other nations' traditions, and I'm very happy that I know English on this level to explain what I mean. У, К, Р, А, Й, Н, А, Украина, Украина. Ф, И, Д, Ж, И. Фиджи, Фиджи. Х, О, Р, В, А, Т, И, Я. Хорватия, Хорватия. And very, very, very long name of the country, Central African Republic. We are interested in this sound ts at the beginning of this name. Oh, by the way, I want to show that this letter H, which gives the sound H, differs from the letter G, which gives the sound G. G, G. I want you to hear the difference. G. So it is Хорватия. Then Ц, Н, Т, Р, А, Л, And once again, with the soft chain, м'який знак. Лі. Лі. Н. О. А. Ф. Р. И. К. А. Н. С. Also with this soft chain, м'який знак С. 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 Сі. К. А. Р. Е. С. П. У. Б. Л. І. К. А. Very, very long word. Центрально африканська республіка. Here it is. Point. So this sound ц in transcription it is like тс, but it is not exactly ц, but ц, 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 ц. No, let it be. It is a good idea to use these two letters to show this sound. Ц, ц. Центральноафриканська республіка. Центральноафриканська республіка. Центральноафриканська республіка. The next one. Чехія. Ч. Е. Х. І. Я. Чехія. Чехія. Швеція. Ш. В. Е. Ц. І. Я. Швеція. Швеція. Бурчів. Here I must write more letters. Борщів. And in transcription it should be борщів. But it is too many chi in this case, but let it be in pronunciation, it will be like one chi, борщів. So it could be like one sound. The next one, so b, o, r, щ, ч, і, в. Why I have written this? Why have I written this name? Because there is no name from this letter sh, but it is inside on this in this name. Here it is. So борщів, борщів. And a little bit more. І, where is it? І, з, р, а, ї, л, л. Ізраїль, Ізраїль. Ю, к, а, т, а, н. Юкатан, Юкатан. Я, п, о, н. І, я. Японія, Японія. And also a very long title name, О, Б, apostrophe, Е, Д, Н, А, Н, І, А, Р, А, Б, С. Софтин, м'який знак, С, К, І, М, І, Р, А, Т, И. And now I will read it from the very beginning. О, б'є, ди, на, ні, арабські, еміра, ty. I pay your attention that this sign apostrophe, when we write it according to the Ukrainian grammar, gives us iotated sound ye, because if there is no apostrophe here, it could read, it must be read as об'єднані, обе, but with the apostrophe it is об'єднані. Not бе, but б'є, об'єднані. Об'єднані Арабські Емірати. Емірати. That will do for today. And what I can add at the end of this conversation, that, for example, in English, there is then one variant of word when we are talking about, for example, United Arab Emirates or the United States of America. But in Ukrainian, we have different words because United Arab Emirates has the variant об'єднані, and the title of United States of America in Ukrainian has the word сполучені. I will explain this when I will examine the difference of different senses of words. These are synonyms, but they are important to use it in correct way when we are talking about the titles, the names of the countries, and it is important to understand that we use different variants. Сполучені Штати Америки, Об'єднані Арабські Емірати. This is also the topic to think about the exact meaning and exact word which is traditionally used in Ukrainian languages according to traditions of how to explain, of those names as they are in documents. So I wish everybody to have good experience in pronunciation all these names of geographical objects, and you can find out other names on the map and in Google Translate, for example, and to have practice with pronunciation the words in Ukrainian. Thank you very much for supporting Ukraine, and see you next time. I hope it will be tomorrow. Bye. In Ukrainian it is пока.